So where is color orange? Very good. Where's color yellow? Very good. Where is color blue? Very good. Where's color purple? Very good. Where's color green? Wow. Color red. Very good, Riley. Oh, what color is this?
Purple.
Purple. This one?
Orange.
Orange. This one?
Blue.
Blue. This one?
Yellow.
Yellow. This one?
Green.
Green. And this one?
Green.
Red. Very good. Good job. Good job, Riley.
9.
9. 8. 7.
6.
6.
5.
5. 4.
3.
3.